Dear friends and colleagues, I'm really excited to announce in this video the third edition of our Continual Learning workshop at CVPR 2022, one of the largest gatherings on continual learning in the world. And this will happen the 20th of June this year. And last year we counted more than 600 unique attendees, and we would be thrilled to see you there this year as well. We invite contributions on continual learning of any kind, not necessarily related to computer vision. So submit your paper by the 9th of March. The 9th of March, we accept non-archival contributions as well as full-length paper that will be published in the CVPR proceedings. The workshop would be a full-day event with dozens of talks, panel sessions, open discussions, challenge tracks, and much more. So check out our official website for more details and take this chance to join the Continual Learning discussion. Join us for the 2022 Continual Learning workshop at CVPR. I'll see you there.